want to tell you about my hobbies. My hobbies is drawing picture. I need a paper or a notebook, a pencil and an eraser. I usually do it with my friends and my sister. I do it in my free time. To be able to do that, we need prepare, rendering, and more resources. I like it because it reduces stress, make me happy, develop my creative, help me be more patient, and help my hand and eye work well together. Thank you for your listening and goodbye. Do you have any question for me?